welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to be solo camping out at a lake. Come and join me as we explore nature, go for a hike, do a little camp cooking, and just relax and get back into the natural rhythm of nature. So some of you might ask, why do you like to camp alone? Well, I like my solitude. I like to get into the natural rhythm of nature, wake up with the sunrise and go to sleep with the sunset. So later in the afternoon, we'll be going on a hike over at a state park that's close to where I'm camping. Mistletoe State Park, starting my hike. It's got two parts to it, one on each side of the road, so let's go check it out. All right, so this is the Mistletoe State Park trail map. Several trails you can take. On the back side, it gives you descriptions of the trails and the length of some of the trails. I'm going to go on the Cliatt Nature Trail loop, and that's here. It's right at the very entrance of the park, and there's a nice shady spot to park your car, which is right across from the visitor center. And this is the loop here. Goes over to the creek and then comes back around to where the nature center is. So here's another sign, and this is a good sign. I appreciate this as a hiker. Water snakes, the cottonmouth and the banded water snake. Of course, the cottonmouth is venomous, so it has a narrow neck and thick, blocky head. Along this section, the creek just becomes a little trickle. Okay, here along the trail, we're going to see American beech trees. Okay, coming to the end of the trail. So this is really the hardest ascent of the whole trail. Right, getting ready to make my dinner. Gonna have a little salad, a pork chop, and some mixed vegetables. Okay, so there's my simple dinner, pork chop with vegetables, broccoli, mushrooms, and a small salad. Starting to get real breezy. I think that storm is moving in and the sky's real gray. All right, so I don't think we're gonna have much of a sunset tonight. It's starting to be very stormy. I'm gonna say goodnight for today. See you in the morning. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider doing so.